As you can see, I have a large pot with water boiling here. I'm gonna add salt. And I'm going to add a pound of trimmed green beans. This is 454 grams. We are just gonna cook this for a few minutes. I wanna blanch them, soften them, and then we will continue in a skillet. I will transfer them to a bowl of ice water, by the way. All right, these cooked for 4 minutes. They are crisp, but they're soft. That's how we want them. We're gonna put them in the ice water so they stop cooking. We're melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in this pan. You know, if you don't have unsalted butter, just use regular, salted, and be careful when you add the salt at the end, okay? This is a nice dish because it cooks fast and it is absolutely fantastically delicious. I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of coarsely chopped almonds. I'm going to work on medium heat and we're going to let these almonds toast for a couple minutes. Make sure your heat is not too high so that you don't burn it, okay? And just stir often. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red or purple onion and 2 garlic cloves which I minced, okay? We'll cook that for about a minute. I think you can smell that garlic. So now I'm adding the green beans. We mix this well. All right, we're gonna let this saute for a couple minutes. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Make sure you're not doing the white, okay? The pith, that is bitter, so just the skin. Add a couple teaspoons of lemon juice. 1, 2, salt, pepper. We mix and we serve. How easy was that? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And they are delicious, I'm telling you. So the string bean, because we blanched it, is not overcooked. Oh my gosh. It's vibrant from the lemon and the zest. And once we serve it with the almonds and the onion and the garlic, this is really quite special. It's a great side for any time, and it's elegant enough for you to serve it at Thanksgiving or Christmas if you'd like.